The video by iJustine showcases the brand new iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, testing for real-world usage in Tokyo, Japan. The Pro models feature a forged aluminum unibody with laser-welded vapor chamber cooling for higher performance and cooler hands, as well as improved ceramic shield protection on the front and back.
Apple rebuilt these from the inside out.
The displays are brighter with up to 3,000 nits, making outdoor viewing stunningly clear. She also praises the new MagSafe cases by Case with a 360-degree rotating magnetic stand. iJustine praises A19 Pro chip delivers top-level performance, and the new N1 wireless chip supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.
A19 Pro chip with a 6-core CPU, 6-core GPU with neural accelerators.
iJustine concludes by sharing prices starting at $1,099 for the 17 Pro and $1,199 for the 17 Pro Max. Well, that's around 15 minutes saved. See you next time.